Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the lecture number 4, BBA semester 2, English comprehension and communication. Now the topic today we discuss is that reading comprehension skills. First of all, what is reading comprehension? Reading comprehension is the ability to process text, understand its meaning, and to integrate with what readers already know. So there are also a lot of the skills required to read any kind of the comprehension. So number one is that main idea, and identify the main idea and the topic sentence. So now how we can identify the main idea in a comprehension? Basically, comprehension and précis writing are very closely relevant with one another. So we can also make compare and contrast with the comprehension and précis writing. So identifying the main idea, how we can identify the main idea in a comprehension? So it is easy to identify a main idea that is directly expressed in the text. Main ideas are often at beginning of the paraphrases or the paragraph. The first sentence often explains the subject being discussed in the passage. Main ideas are also found in the last part of the paragraph. So generally main ideas are also found in the first part of the paragraph or in the last part of the paragraph. The main idea is the point of the paragraph. It is the most important thought about the topic. To figure out the main idea, ask yourself this question: what is being said about the person, things, or idea? The main idea is usually found in the first sentence. Now the topic sentence is also another important element to find out in a comprehension. The topic sentence in expository form, writing a topic sentence is a sentence that summarizes the main idea of a paragraph. It is usually the first sentence in a paragraph, also known as focuses sentence. It encapsulates or organizes an entire paragraph. So a paragraph can also consist of the three parts: the topic sentence and a supporting sentence and conclusion. So on the first point, identify the main idea and topic sentence. And now the second one is that how we can also find out the detail which is very closely interlinked of the paragraph. So in a paragraph, how we can find specific information quickly. The main reading skills employed, it's scanning. Scanning is a reading technique through which you can also find the information apparently any kind of the piece of the writing while you are also reviewing or have a view apparently of any writing is called a scanning. So by scanning you can also understand what is important and what is unimportant. So you can also focus on the important points of the paragraph and omit the unimportant detail. So find the specific information quickly. The scanning is a very important way of the getting information from this. So now the other one is that what is relevant and irrelevant. Relevant detail of the paragraph is very important detail. Relevant information means a verbal support to prove the relevant topic, which can provide much material in form of words to make the subject matter effective and favorable. So now the irrelevant detail, as the obvious by its name, irrelevant detail means a such kind of the information which is not required to the subject matter at hand and unable to give any factual support to enhance its probability. The now relevant and the irrelevant, I have already explained in the beginning of the lecture, because comprehension and precis writing are very closely interlinked with one another. So precis writing is also very closely interlinked with the comprehension. In precis writing, because is a fun of writing by omitting the unimportant and including the important. And now another one is that the fact and opinion. Fact and opinion is also very important skill of the reading comprehension. Fact is a statement that can be proven true or false, and opinion is an expression of person's feeling that cannot be proven. Opinions can be based on facts or emotions, and sometimes they are deliberately mislead others. Facts and opinion is important part of the reading comprehension skills. So all kind of the detail which is very close to the reality is called fact. So however, an opinion is a statement that holds an element of belief. It tells us about someone's feelings, and an opinion is not always true and cannot be proven, whereas fact is based on reality and no need to prove it. So these are the four important elements of reading comprehension skills. First of all, you must understand what is the topic sentence of this comprehension, because topic sentence is the gist of a whole paragraph. Topic sentence reflects the incoming detail and the whole objects of the given passage. So now identifying the main idea is also another one. You can identify the main idea in the paragraph, in the beginning of the paragraph or in the last part of the paragraph. So we can also get the specific information quickly by the method of the reading, which is generally known as scanning and sometimes skimming. So all kind of the detail which is relevant and helpful to support your writing, and irrelevant which is not requirement of the paragraph. So fact and opinion are also two important part of the reading comprehension skill. So to conclude the whole story, by these 4 points we can also get a lot of the information quickly and can understand all paragraph from the true gist of the object of this paragraph. So by carrying out all these principles, we can also get a lot of the information by identifying the main idea with the help of the topic sentence, and find quick information by the method of the scanning, and by distinguishing the relevant and irrelevant detail. So fact and opinion is also another one important of the reading comprehension. To conclude the whole story, these parts are very necessary to get an overview of the paragraph and understand its process truly accurately, and we can convey something important after understanding the paragraph. So we can get the knowledge by carrying out all these principles, because topic sentence and main idea also gives us the main information in which the paragraph is displayed. So now the fact and opinion is also another one important block of the paragraph or the passage. Without it A paragraph is not easy to understand because facts is based on reality and opinion is not based on reality but also is based on the probability. Your opinion can also be wrong, but facts is based on the reality. There is no need to prove the fact, but opinions required suggestions, arguments. In the end, opinion can be wrong, but facts steadfast at the point. So, in a way, reading comprehension skills are reading comprehension skill are the main points in which you must carry out. Thank you so much.